Life 的真爱宝的钛赫兹水晶管是结合光学水晶材料和量子技术，运用高科技熔炼工艺技术，确保水晶管的纯度和性能地顶尖，在1800度高温下稳定，提升耐久性和功能效果。需要经过12天精炼过程，保证材料均匀性和一致性。水晶管能释放强力钛赫兹光波，这是由我们顶尖的技术团队所研发。
Energy test. One finger, hold as strong as you can. 1, 2, 3. Okay, pressing. This is your strength. Okay. Now hold this like this. Okay. Just hold it to your body. Now take out your thumb. Thumb put it behind here. Together here. Ah yes. Let it touch your body. Okay. Your hand. She's just holding something even without you switching it on. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Strong. Can you feel the difference? Is it big or small? Okay. Now you see whether it's big or small. Okay? Now you will know. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Can you see the difference now? Big or small? Big. Even without switching on the machine, it's already working. The frequency is already inside, built in, melted in. Alright? Thank you very much.